Hi guys, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to add the GamerHash app to the list of exclusions in the Kaspersky antivirus program. It's only a few easy steps, so let's get right into it. Step 1. Copy the GamerHash folder path. Next, Step 2. Open the Kaspersky antivirus app. Step 3. Click on the settings icon in the bottom left corner. Then, Step 4. Find the threats and exclusions, scroll down a bit, and click on the button that allows managing them. Step 5. Add the exclusion by clicking on the Add button and pasting the folder path you've copied in the first step. Finally, Step 6. Find protection components below. Choose the All Components option and just confirm and save all the changes you've made. And there you go! You've successfully added the GamerHash app to the list of exclusions. Give this video a thumbs up if you found this guide useful, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.